In the name of Allah, I am محمد اشرف, teacher, Government High School, Shانو. I am going to deliver English lecture for class 4th. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You know that we are reading the last poem of this book. That is what animals do. This poem, and we have read it and have done it as 3 questions. Today I am going to do it as 4th question. That is, name the flying birds and insects mentioned in the poem. Flying birds. The birds which are mentioned in this poem, flying birds, are number first, pigeon. Pigeon. Parrot. Parrot. Hawk. Hawk. Owl. Owl. Swallows. Swallow. 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 Now insects. Insects are given bees, honey bees, grasshopper, mosquito, sitting bee or beast. Sitting bee or beast. Now question number 5th, that is, encircle the odd one out from the following. Here are given the animals and one has been out is encircled: tiger, lion, wolf, goat, jackal. These are all wild animals and the domestic animal is goat. Goat has been encircled. Now pigeon, crow, swallow, duck, parrot. Pigeon is a bird, crow, swallow, parrot, and duck is encircled. Water bird, duck. Horse, camel, cow, goat, monkey. Horse, camel, cow, goat, monkey. Monkey is wild animal, encircled. Bee, fly, mosquito, hen, grasshopper. These are the flying birds, insects. Bee is insect, fly is insect, mosquito is insect, grasshopper is insect, and hen is encircled bird. Crow, cow, camel, cat, elephant. Cat, elephant, cat, camel, cow, and crow is encircled. I have encircled the crow. Now, question number 6 is, that is, sounds of following. Rat, the sound of rat. The sound of rat. Snake is hiss and squeak is a rat. Rat squeaks. S-Q-U-E-A-K-S. S-Q-U-E-A-K. Squeak. Rat squeaks. No hen. Hen cackles. C-A-C-K-L-E. Cackle. Hen cackles. Lion roars. R-O-A-R. Roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. And owl. Hoot. Owl. Hoots. H-O-O-T. Hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. No. Horse. Neighs. N-E-I-G-H. Neigh. Snake. Hisses. H-I-S-S. Hiss. Swan. Swan. Swan cry. Goat bleat. Bee buzz. Cow moo. These are the sounds, and I will return tomorrow, inshallah, the all sounds of these animals, and we'll do the 7th question and go ahead from these questions. It is enough for today. Goodbye. May God bless you. Thank you.